Amazon spent over $2 billion perfecting this. The drone works. The package arrives in 30 minutes. The technology is ready. So why can't you order a book right now and have it dropped at your door in half an hour? The answer isn't what you think. And it reveals why the future of delivery is trapped in bureaucratic hell. In 2013, Jeff Bezos went on 60 Minutes and promised drone delivery within 5 years. That was over a decade ago. Google's Wing, Walmart, UPS, they've all invested billions. The drones fly, the AI works, the logistics are solved. But here's the thing, it's not a technology problem, it's a legal real estate problem. See, when you look up at the sky, you see empty space. The FAA sees property. Regulated, restricted, and right now, invisible lines are being drawn that will change who owns the air above your head. Let's start with the regulations. In the US, the FAA treats delivery drones like miniature aircraft. That means every single drone needs remote ID, basically a digital license plate broadcasting its location in real time. Without it, the drone is a ghost, and ghosts are illegal. Then there's the pilot problem. While tech allows for total autonomy, current laws often require human supervisors for beyond visual line of sight flights. Even with new waivers, the ratio of humans to drones makes the labor cost look more like a private jet company than a delivery service. And here's the kicker. Drones can't fly over people without massive safety redundancies. Your neighborhood? Full of people. Parks, sidewalks, backyards, all restricted airspace. The FAA approves these safety waivers at a glacial pace. Amazon alone would need tens of thousands. But let's say regulations change. You still have the last yard problem. Drones can't just drop packages on your porch. They need a designated landing zone. That means every house needs a drone pad or specialized mailbox. You know who installs those? You do. Amazon tried running pilot programs where they'd install the equipment for free. Guess how many people signed up? Not enough to justify the cost. Without landing infrastructure, drones have to hover and lower packages on cables. Which brings us to problem 3. That buzzing sound? Multiply it by 50 drones per hour over your neighborhood. High-frequency noise complaints killed early trials in Australia and Ireland within weeks. It's not just annoying, it's a public health debate. And here's the math that really kills it. A delivery van carries 200 packages. One driver, one route. A drone carries one package. Between the cost of the hardware, as much as a luxury car per unit, and the charging infrastructure, the efficiency isn't even close. For Amazon, the van is still the king of the jungle. But here's the real reason this is stuck. The reason nobody talks about. Airspace is becoming real estate. The FAA is essentially deciding who owns the sky above your house. In the 1940s, the Supreme Court said you own enough air to enjoy your land. But in 2026, cities are realizing low-altitude airspace is a gold mine. We are seeing the start of a massive legal battle. Should Amazon have permanent rights to fly over your property? Should cities auction flight corridors to the highest bidder? It's the same battle that happened with railroads in the 1800s and fiber optic cables in the 2000s. Except now, it's 3D. Nobody wants to invest billions if the legal ground beneath the drones is still shifting. So when will drone delivery actually happen? Probably not in cities, but in rural areas where the last mile is actually 20 miles and noise isn't an issue. It's already working. Amazon and Google aren't betting on your suburb. They're betting on farmland, hospitals, and industrial parks. The future of delivery isn't above your house, it's just somewhere else. If you want to see how trillion-dollar companies are pivoting their strategies because of these exact problems, check out the video on screen. And tell me in the comments, would you allow a permanent drone highway over your backyard for 30-minute delivery?